Hey man, what you driving?
That's an 86 B2000 Mazda.
Wow, Mazda truck, yo.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, this is a nice color, man. Nice
Thank
color,
you.
original color.
No,
Dope, man.
it's not original, but since 1994,
Oh, okay.
it's been painted. Yeah.
What's the name of the color?
That's actually I think it's a 370Z or something like that.
Mm.
The orange.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
nice, man. How long have you had it?
Ha. Actually, that's a funny story. I just got this car not too long ago,
Really?
but ever since I was a teenager, I wanted it. It was built since I was a teenager. I was a teenager.
Wow.
I seen it when I was like, I want to say 16 years old.
Yeah.
I seen it. That's how long this car was, just like that.
So when you got the car, it was basically in this condition?
The same way, yeah. When I first saw it, it was the same condition too.
Wow.
I'm like, I want this truck, and it's still around, and the offer came up, and I got it.
Yeah. Body kit.
You know, I did like the little wing in the back. I did a couple of things with the steering wheel and stuff like that.
Okay.
Uh,
Yo, this is nice, man. Very, very nice car. And I seen that it was manual, man. What's up?
Yeah.
You be hitting switches manual? That's
easy, man.
It's not easy.
Not easy.
Nah, it's not easy, man.
You gotta throw it in neutral and just hit the switches.
All right, man.
Yeah, it's fun though.
And this is the 86.
Yeah, 86.
Nice, man.
Thank you, man.
I appreciate it, man. This is an awesome car.
Thank
And
you.
appreciate the interview, dog.
Thank you, man.
All right.
Stay tuned for more episodes of
Hey Man, What You Driving?